Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 interesting things you probably didn't know about AI. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in this field. So, let's get started. Number 1. AI can predict earthquakes. Did you know that AI can predict earthquakes? Scientists are using AI to analyze seismic data and predict when and where earthquakes are likely to occur. This technology could save countless lives by giving people advance warning of impending natural disasters. Number 2. AI can write news articles. Yes, you heard that right. AI can now write news articles, and some news organizations are already using this technology to create content. While AI-written articles may lack the creativity and human touch of traditional journalism, they can still provide valuable information and insights. Number 3. AI can detect diseases. Artificial intelligence is being used to detect diseases in their early stages. By analyzing medical images and patient data, AI algorithms can identify signs of cancer, heart disease, and other serious illnesses. This technology could revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnosis and treatment outcomes. Number 4. AI can create art. Artificial intelligence is not just limited to scientific and technical applications. In fact, AI can also create art. Using machine learning algorithms, AI systems can generate music, visual art, and even poetry. While the results may not always be perfect, they are often surprisingly creative and beautiful. Number 5. AI can understand human emotions. Finally, AI is becoming better at understanding human emotions. Using facial recognition software and other sensors, AI systems can now detect and interpret human emotions with a high degree of accuracy. This technology could have a wide range of applications, from improving customer service to helping people with mental health issues. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 5 interesting things you probably didn't know about AI. This technology is constantly evolving, and we can expect even more exciting developments in the years to come. As always, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on the latest trends in technology. Thanks for watching.